This is a 2019 Ram 1500 Limited, pearl white, over black leather interior, dual power seats, leather wrapped steering wheel, power windows, locks, heated power mirrors, navigation, satellite radio, the big screen, USBs front and rear, heated seats front and rear, trailer tow assist, panoramic moonroof. There's a look at the rear seat, Harman Kardon audio, power deployable running boards, aluminum wheels, backup sensors, receiver hitch, sliding rear window, hard tonneau cover, spray and bed liner. This vehicle is four-wheel drive and powered by a 5.7 liter V8 engine. So it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles at Mercedes-Benz of Wesley Chapel, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.